Welcome to my new video. Today I am excited to share with you the opening of my latest book. Book name is Business Idea by Murshid Masood Qazi. This book is packed with insights and ideas for anyone looking to start or grow their business. I will be sharing some of the most valuable lessons and takeaways from this book in the coming days. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you already read it, I would love to hear from your thoughts and your experience about this book. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more updates.